Whenever the user develop any application, the user must define some security objective and requirement for that application. So security objective are goals and constraint that affect the confidentiality, integrity and availability of the data and application. So whenever we are developing any application and deploy it in cloud, security is the major concern. So the cloud service providers like AWS, Google, Microsoft Azure, so all are providing different ways to secure their application during development, testing, deployment, launching of different web servers or instances. So at every point of time the security are being implemented. So identification of security objective is the first step that helps to ensure security of the application. It is also one of the most important steps. The objective once created can be used to direct all subsequent security activities. Next, security objectives should be identified as early in the development process as possible. So security objective must not remain static. It must change from time to time. Identifying security objective is an interactive process, iterative process that is initially driven by examination of application requirement and usage scenario. By the end of requirement and analysis phase, the user has the first set of objective, and after that the subsequent security objectives are going to be implemented. So the different techniques which helps in discovering security objective: role matrix derived from functional requirement. Now let us check the security services provided by Amazon Web Services. For that, sign into AWS Management Console, go to Security, Identity and Compliance Services. So these are the list of services that provide security, identity and compliance. So IAM is the identity. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. Similarly, Resource Access Manager, Cognito, which helps in implementing sign in and sign out page add to the application or to the mobile apps. Security Manager, Guard Duty Inspector, Amazon Messi, AWS Single Sign-On, Certificate Manager, KMS Key Management Service, Cloud HSM, Directory Service, Wireless Application Firewall and Shield. So basically this helps in implementing the firewall manager, artifact, security hub, detective, audit manager, Singer and network firewall. So these are the different services which provide security, identity and compliance. Besides this, it also provides some security groups, access control list for instances, virtual private cloud, and we can write IAM policies so that we can restrict the access to different users to different AWS resources.